Looks good. All right, let's check the checker.
Bit longer.
All right.
Ever been there? Haven't we all at some point or another? Hi everyone, welcome to the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman. I'm sure everyone has experienced setting off the smoke alarm at some point. And with so much cooking and baking during the holidays, it feels a bit more likely to happen around this time of year. At Peterman, we know how incredibly important it is to feel safe and secure in your home, especially when you're celebrating with friends and family. That's why things like smoke detectors are so important. But with everyone kicking on their heat for the cold winter, there is something far more critical to be aware of than a burnt turkey. The vast majority of homes in Indiana use gas furnaces for heat. In the process of creating that heat, a part of the furnace known as the heat exchanger gives off carbon monoxide, which is a dangerous gas. Under normal operating conditions, the furnace pulls that harmful gas out of the heat exchanger and vents it away from your house. As the furnace runs, the heat it produces causes the heat exchanger to expand, then when it cools, the heat exchanger shrinks back down. It is this process that can occasionally cause cracks to form in your heat exchanger. And if that happens, it can allow that dangerous carbon monoxide to leak into your home. That may have sounded a bit scary, but don't worry, we have you covered. During the month of November, we are offering a $99 heat exchanger inspection. And to give you even further peace of mind, we'll also include a carbon monoxide detector completely free. Feel secure all season long. Give us a call or text us for any heat exchanger questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.